Okay, this is really interesting. Here, this bar here is quite strong, and even as I say that, it's flexing more than I was expecting. But anyway, this bar is pretty strong, and it'll do the job for what I'm trying to do today. Now, what I was wanting to do was extend it with these, and so my first variation of the idea was simply to use these by themselves, and they flexed way too much. So it was like I didn't even finish setting it up before it was like, no, that's not going to work. So then I moved on to using this central bar, originally as a support to try and firm it up, but no, even that wasn't good enough. So I was like, alright, fine, this is the bar that I'm going to be putting all the weight on. And then I was like, right, fine, let's go and use these to extend that bar. So then I put the bar on here, and I put some clamps around it and everything. And then I went and measured with this level. So what I did is I put the level at one end of the bar, I then moved it to the center, and then I moved it over to the end. And I got different results in the three places. And I thought, okay, the bar is bent. So, well, let's take everything off, and then I'll rotate it and see if I can find there's a side which is close enough to flat. And so I then tried just this side as it is, just simply with these removed. So it's the same side that I tried before, and suddenly all three could... Whoops! I'll get that in a moment. But the bottom line was that all three positions were the same. And I was like, why is that? Have I made my measurements incorrect or something? Have I done my measurements poorly or something? And then I realized what was happening. So remember that these pieces are a little bit flexible. And so what was happening is that when I was putting it at this end, this was flexing a little bit, which was meaning it was effectively rotating this way. And then when I put it at this end was sagging, but that end wasn't, which meant it was effectively rotating this way. So I was creating, depending on where I put it, I was creating a rotation in a different direction. And that is exactly what I don't want. So, therefore, what I need to do is use just this. I can't get it any longer than this. I've just had a brainwave. I'm going to have to think this through off camera. But assuming that doesn't work, I will use just this bar. I'm limited to this length. I was about to mention that I can't join multiple together. I don't have what I need to be able to do that. Cool. I'm going to think through this brainwave. I might come back with another interesting thought.